Alright friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We have a nice little shop update for you, and so I'm going to talk you through the new printables that are now available in the shop. They've been available since Wednesday. So we have Run for Gold. It's a fun running theme, fall vibes, and it's all centered around us running the race to win a prize. Alright, and the scriptural reference is 1 Corinthians 9:24 to 27. Our next one is Margin Gardens volume 15, and we have these nice pinky orange cream beige florals that are so lovely and rich. I really love this one, and we brought some of the elements from the Margin Gardens into our library cards. This is the second time I'm doing it like this. I think it's so fun. It's a nice little fun element to the library card, and I am here for it. And so we have the different floral elements at the top, our color palette for this month, and we have some little labels at the bottom. And what I love is it's the same color palette. However, just because I used the pinks and blues, it kind of looks different. Whereas we have on this page, it's just the orange, the red, the orange, and the yellows and greens. It just shows you the difference. As you can see, it's the same colors, some of the same colors. The same orange, and this color here, the same green. All right, but there's none of the purple or the pinks in this. That's what makes it looks slightly different, but it is the same color palette. And I went ahead and I printed them small because, you know, I like to have sometimes the small elements. So all I did was just print 2 on the sheet. So if you were to do this on your printer, all you would have to do is print it in a booklet format and put 2 on a sheet. There's that setting. You have to go into the advanced setting when you're printing to see that. So this is our scripture writing plan for this month. It is called Why Study, and of course it's a back to school theme because we are in September. Okay, and as you can see, it's the same color palette, but just because, like I said, this color palette just had, in this printable, it's just the yellows, the different shades of yellow and the different shades of orange and the green. Okay, so here we pulled in a lot more pinks, some of the purples, the different shades of green, and so I really love this one. So fun. We have these back to school elements, and I love these little elements on the pencil. I think they're so adorable. So we have some crayons, some pencils, little elements that you'll have in your back to school kit, some school elements as well. We have some fun journaling elements that you can use. We have pockets, of course, tabs, so you could probably print this page more than once if you want more pockets and more of the tabs. We have a page dedicated to tags and these fun tickets, and we have some library card with some fun back to school elements on them. I really love the way this turned out, and we have some pattern paper. So we have the thumbtacks, we have these crayons, we have the star, and I intentionally put that one green star there. I thought it was just very clever. And we have some books right here, and at the back we have our scriptures, and we have some fun quotes along with our elements. Thought this is so cute. And so that is that. So that's 12 pages you get with the Why Study printable. 2 for Margin Gardens, 1 for Run for Gold, and 2 for the labels, the library cards and the labels. All right, and next we have our scripture 52, which is here. All right, so this is the card you get this month for free All right, if you don't know about Scripture 52, every month we release new scripture cards where you can document your thought and a prayer based on our prompt here. And we work through those on Thursdays or whatever day you choose, but I work on them on Thursdays. And it's a fun little project. And so we are at week 35, but next week we'll have week 36. So you can still join us if you would like to do so. These are our extras, so that is free, but you can pick these up for $1.99. And these are just fun little elements that you can use to decorate the back of the cards. All right, and if you want to know more about that, I will link a video up in the iCard so you can check out our Scripture 52 playlist. And a little information, some of those videos are in the Facebook group because that's where it began. But persons were telling me they can't find the videos, so I thought it would be best to just index them here on YouTube. And I printed it smaller if I wanted smaller elements because sometimes I work in a tiny journal. All right, friends, thank you so very much for joining me. I have some fun information that I would love to share with you right now. Friends, I will be presenting at the Armor of God Bible Journaling Conference hosted by the Bible Journaling Ministries. Yes, this is my third year presenting at one of their conferences, and I am so excited for you guys to join me. It is going to be so fun. There's over 26 different presenters presenting on the topic of the armor of God. There is so much information for you. There's so much for you to learn. There's going to be so much fun, a lot of giveaways. There are going to be lots of downloads for you, so I know you do not want to miss this. It happens in October from the 11th to the 13th. Yours truly will be presenting on the 13th at, well, I guess the time zone varies depending on where you are, but for me it is 11:30, and I want you to come out and join me. Once you register, the time will be translated into your time zone, so you don't have to be worrying about how do I convert. None of that. The software does it all for you. I want you to come on out and to join me. We're going to be doing our fun word study. We'll be digital Bible journaling. It is going to be amazing, and the printable is on point. Let me just say the printable is everything. Listen, I am so in love with this printable. So I want you guys to come out, join me. It's going to be amazing. Now, I want to tell you something special. It's absolutely free. Yes, it is free. F-R-E-E, free. However, you can decide to upgrade to the All Access Pass, and what that gives you is lifetime access to the conference. Now, if you do the free version, it's free for 24 hours. So if you're working, if life just gets busy and you miss it and you forgot, or you don't come back in time, you'll lose access. But with the All Access Pass for only $29, if you sign up before the conference, you have lifetime access. And there's something new we're doing this year. There is the All Access Plus Pass, which is for $49 before the conference. During the conference, that will be $59, and after that will be $69. What is that and how it works? Don't worry, friend, I got you. Let me tell you how that happens. You're getting lifetime access and all the wonderful things that comes along with getting the All Access Pass, but there is a Premier Pack bundle. There is so many creators. I'm one of those creators who has a bundled offer. So there's courses, ebooks, printables, all gathered, total combined value of $300, and you're getting that plus other things. So that's an awesome deal. Okay, that's an awesome deal. Or maybe you just want to do the free version and then you want to grab the Premier Pack, because that's also an option. So you can get the Premier Pack independently if you just want the free version, and that is $30. So you're still getting that bundle deal of a value of $300 for $30. That is over 90% off. Listen, if I were you, I would grab it. There is so much you're getting for that amazing price. So go ahead and pick that up. And of course, mark your calendars. It is going to be epic. I can't wait to see you there.